Good morning, Jax.
Morning.
You can't really go to school without any shoes on. Get them on. It's time to go. Today, it is supposed to snow. Not rain. Okay, a little rain. It's supposed to rain and snow today. But for now, you just have to get to school because you're late. So, drive the snowplow.
Okay.
See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.
At least it's not snowing right now.
I know, it's not snowing at the moment. Let's see.
Oh, it's raining.
See? A little rain, but it's not snowing yet. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Miss Pineapple,
What?
it's time to go get our waxy. I just had to take a minute to point out your amazing outfit choice for the day, though, because that's like fancy pants right there. And I don't just mean that your pants are fancy. I mean like your whole outfit is like on
point.
something. Time to go get your waxy. Get out. Miss you, love you. Wouldn't want to be you.
Bye.
Hey, warm up the van for me. I'll be out in a minute.
Yeah, okay. Guys?
My kids are here.
No, it's not.
Hey, Jax.
What?
Did you go to the word assembly today? Did you see anything exciting while you were there? Did you get an award? Did you hear anybody in Miss Malia's class get an award?
I heard.
Malia got an award!
Yeah.
Yay, Mia!
For the dorkiest dork that ever dorked.
Yes! She's your nerdiest big sister ever. Today, we hit 10,000 subscribers! This has been a long time coming, and honestly, I didn't know if we would ever even make it to 10,000, but today, we made it to 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
So, we thought, let's have a 10,000 subscriber dinner in honor of all of our subscribers. What do you guys think of our 10,000 subscriber dinner? If there were 10,000 people in here having dinner with us, I would probably be too intimidated to eat.
No kidding. All those eyes watching at you.
So we have a hot dog with play button potatoes. But why do we have play button potatoes, Jordan?
Because YouTube doesn't send a play button for 10,000 subscribers.
There is no official YouTube play button for 10,000 subscribers, although for a small channel like ours, I think 10,000 was sort of our ultimate goal. When we first started our channel, we had no idea we would even get to 10,000 subscribers because everything we do is so random that we don't fit into one of YouTube's niches to be able to like really focus in on that specific audience. So for us, in all of our random weirdness, to make it to 10,000 subscribers is really kind of miraculous.
Yeah, we're just doing our thing.
We just do what we do, and we are so excited that 10,000 of you have decided to come and join us and be part of our weird, wacky, crazy randomness. So thank you to everybody that has subscribed.
Thank you.
We are celebrating with a play button dinner. We want to invite all of you over to have play button dinner with us too, but of course, that's not possible. You know, coronavirus and whatnot.
And just.
And you know, it'd be weird. It'd be weird to fit 10,000 people into our house.
We'll
Make this
enjoy
at home.
Yeah, they can make it themselves at home. I made play button potatoes out of potatoes and paprika. And Jordan made biscuits with a play button. Good job, Jordan.
No.
Malia made a play button cake for us to have for dessert. And Dad has a special little something for later.
Here's for 10,000 and 10,000 more.
Then we would have 20,000.
That'd be insane. I don't think we can make it past 10.
How about
What do you think?
90,000?
Think we'll make it to 10,001? Because I thought 10,000 was out of reach. Now I think just every other subscriber that joins is like, wow, really?
I'm just excited.
More?
There's 10,000 people that want to know us, and
Right.
that's awesome.
Dinner was delicious. Jordan, your biscuits were amazing. 10,000 subscribers later. We're still here doing exactly what we've always done. We're saving our family memories and watching these Smartypantses grow up. And look at them. They're so much bigger than when we started. They started out as babies and now look at them.
I know.
Daddy called YouTube and said, we're ready for you to send us that 10,000 subscriber play button.
Yeah, come on. Chop.
And they said, we don't do that.
They went, this money, what?
Okay, so on the grand scheme of YouTube, 10,000 subscribers is really nothing. They don't acknowledge 10,000 subscribers, but it is a really big deal to us. So Daddy didn't really call YouTube, that's not true, but Daddy did decide that we needed to have an actual play button. So Dad, what did you come up with?
So, as some of you know, I love working with pallets. And I put a few pallets together.
Oh, neat. Daddy made us a pallet. Thanks, Dad. It's a tiny pallet.
And I decided to make our own play button.
Nice.
Oh, that's cool.
So Daddy made us a 10,000 subscriber play button because the likelihood of us actually getting a YouTube play button are very small. I think it's very cool. We are going to hang this on our wall, and we're going to have our very own Smartypants 10,000 subscriber play button that we can always have, because this was our ultimate goal when we started our channel.
Yes, it is.
We didn't think we would ever actually make it to 10,000 subscribers because we didn't have any intention of altering the content that we make to please the YouTube algorithm.
Right.
So we've just always done what we do, and we didn't think we would ever make it to 10,000 subscribers, but we said when our channel started that if we did ever make it to 10,000 subscribers, that for us, that means we have made it.
Yes.
That is our ultimate goal. We made it to our ultimate goal, and we are at the top of our mountain right now, guys. For today, we just want to say thank you to all 10,000 of you guys for subscribing and for supporting us and for always being here for our shenanigans. We are happy to have you in our little piece of crazy.
Yes. All of you that take time of your day to write to us through Facebook, leave your message and leave comments. We appreciate those very much.
Yeah, and you guys led to this very homemade play button that we made for ourselves to celebrate the fact that we made it to our ultimate goal. So thank you guys for being here with us. We have no intention of stopping what we're doing. We're going to continue watching these Smartypantses grow up, and one of these days we're going to look back at this video and we're going to say, oh, look, they were babies. Okay, stand up. Let's see how big they are. That's how big our babies are. 10,000 subscribers. Dad, you need to stand by him for a reference. Stand by Jordan. For a size reference here, we need to see how big our Smartypantses are at 10,000 subscribers so that we can look back.
We got all two shoulders.
I know, you guys are exactly steps down. Our Smartypantses are just going to keep right on growing up. So if you guys have no intention to stop growing, then we have no intention of stop filming, and we're going to keep right on trucking, and hopefully we make lots more friends in the process.
Yes.
But we are super, super crazy proud to have made it to our top of the mountain peak. And thank you guys for helping us get there. But
Now we gotta climb the next mountain.
It's all downhill from here.
we need to go eat some cake, so let's get on this.
Okay, yeah.
This is the beautiful cake that Miss Malia made for us. Thank you, Miss Mia.
You will.
Let's have a taste, shall we? Friday, you guys. But tomorrow is Friday. And we just heard from the superintendent that it is a snow day tomorrow.
Kind of.
Ah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I have protection.
Me too.
My hands are cold. My hands are cold. No.
So snow days this year are going to be Zoom days, which is basically what you guys are already doing, but Jackson's teacher is not going to have him do Zoom meetings tomorrow. She's going to let him have a real snow day. Malia is going to have probably half an hour of Zoom like she always has. And Jordan is going to have the best day of all because he doesn't have to miss any school for the snow. Whoop, whoop.
I've never been so sick of school. You don't even know.
But guys, it's time to put my smarty pants to bed. So,
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make this channel strong. Share it with your friends. And now, good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Please subscribe. Touch it. Poof. 10,000 subscribers!